So when was the last time you were shopping online? Like Amazon or Google? Does that sound familiar? Well, it feels like I'm on those sites daily. Well, guess what? These days, real estate is no different. When you're selling your home, a realtor who just places a yard sign on your front lawn and sticks your home on the MLS isn't getting you the exposure that you need. You're missing out on social media platforms with the most traffic. I'm Kelly Domaille, owner and associate broker of Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. And what you really need is maximum exposure to get your home in front of the most amount of buyers. According to the National Association of Realtors, 95% of buyers are searching online for their homes, and 79% are using social media to search, while they're spending a total average about 2.5 hours on those social sites. Yet only 16% of real estate agents use social media as part of their strategy, and they're actually doing it wrong. As a real estate expert and professional, I can offer you a disruptive, strategic digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers while using these platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You're probably looking at this video because of those efforts. Now, if you like to hear more about how I use the tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give me a call. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live.